How to unhide posts from timeline on Facebook. So first is to launch the Facebook application. Now tap the menu icon or the three horizontal lines located on the top right corner. Scroll down and select Settings and Privacy. Now go to Settings. Scroll down until you see this section, Your Activity. Select Activity Log. Tap the drop-down arrow button beside your Facebook activity and tap on Manage Post. Tap on Filters and select Categories. Now go to Post Hidden from Profile. And in here, you will see all of your posts that are hidden in your timeline. So tap the three dots or the ellipsis icon beside the post that you want to unhide. And then tap on Add to Profile. Now this post is back in your timeline. And so that is how you unhide posts from timeline on Facebook. Thank you and have a great day.